Hey there, want to protect your Android phone from harmful apps? In this video, I'll show you how to disable installation from unknown sources step by step. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and select Security. Next, look for an option called Install Unknown Apps or Unknown Sources Installation. Here, you'll see a list of apps like Chrome, File Manager, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. Select the app like Chrome, WhatsApp, or File Manager, or what you want. Toggle Allow from this source to off. Disabling unknown source installations prevents malware or harmful apps from being installed accidentally. It's an essential step for keeping your Android phone safe. That's it! You've secured your Android phone from risky apps. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one!